Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens with chicken. First, gather your ingredients. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 pounds of fresh collard greens, 1 large onion, and 4 cloves of garlic. You will also need chicken broth, apple cider vinegar, and your favorite seasonings. Begin by washing and chopping your collard greens into 1-inch pieces, then set them aside. Next, pat your chicken thighs dry and season them generously with your chosen spices, such as Cajun seasoning, salt, and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add the chicken and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, until it's beautifully browned and fully cooked. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside, keeping it warm. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of olive oil if needed, then sauté your diced onion and sliced garlic for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Now, add the chopped collard greens to the pot. Pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir everything together, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 50 minutes. Then, uncover and continue simmering for 10 more minutes. Once the collard greens are tender, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as desired. Shred or slice your cooked chicken and return it to the pot with the greens, stirring to combine. Serve this hearty dish warm, perhaps with a side of cornbread or rice. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade collard greens with chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.